Hello from Slovenia. I will do another from circles to flower dip, but this time will be reverse dip. I just have to pop these air bubbles because I have a lot of them and I don't want them there, so I just want to start in the middle, kind of. I hope that I did. So this was metallic gold, and I will add some yellow, cadmium yellow, and cadmium orange, and magenta. And next I will do alizarian violet, and I forget to add metallics in between, and if you don't add metallic you don't get this effect. And maybe I will do some of this enamel mixture. This is enamel white mixed with my regular white and pouring medium and some silver, metallic silver. This is almost white, so, and I have to fix this part here a little bit because I think that maybe I should. Maybe it is a mistake, I don't know. And I will add phthalo blue. I will add some Prussian blue. I don't know if this makes any sense because I have black background, but I don't know. And here I mixed Prussian blue with primary elements Majestic blue, so I hope that I will get some nice result out of it, and this one doesn't flow out of my stick as I want. Just isn't the right consistency, I think. But now I have to go around with it. If I started, I have to. And I will go with enamel again. And with this phthalo blue again. alizarian violet. I will add some silver here in between, maybe not on the outside. Whoops, and I just do a mess, but what can I do? Nothing. I don't know. I didn't have this in mind. Sometimes I just change my mind while I'm doing my dips, and I don't know if this will turn out okay, but if we don't try we will not know. So let's see. And I think that I have a lot of air underneath, air pockets, so I don't know how this will turn out. You see? And let's see what can we get from these circles. You see, here is this part where I had this air underneath, and that's why I get this weird shape here. So I should have been more careful, but now it is what it is. I will not trying to do something here because I can ruin everything. I just have to touch this middle part a little bit. I almost lost all my magenta and violet. So strange, but I kind of like it. This part here is not completely okay, but we can't have all, as you know. And this part here bothers me, and this part here, or just try to touch it a little bit. You can play a little bit, but you have to be careful, but because you can ruin something beautiful really quickly, so try to do this with the filling. See, I almost ruined this part here, but and I don't like this white cell here, so I must say that I like it. I just want to see if I can get a little more of this magenta and orange here. But it has some beautiful details. I will take you for a close-up. I will just do this. I hope that you will see it anyway, because if I have my light on, you get so much glare that I can't show you anything. Or maybe I should turn on my light. Yes, I should, because otherwise I can't show you the colors and this beautiful lacing, and outside these petals are just gorgeous. And I'm so happy that I get this on the black background, and I don't mind this part here, because I don't know, I will leave it. Nothing is perfect, so but I really like this middle part, so just see if I can show you this part without the glare. You see this center is just gorgeous, and this white petals around, and this light blue like a light around. I think that this is gorgeous. Tell me what you think. So we can get something nice on the black background with this enamel, because you get this beautiful lacing, and I think that I will try this again, maybe with some different colors, but I just love this flower. So this is it for today. Again, you saw that you can get some nice flower out of circles. So let me know what you think, and what you have tried, and what you get with this circle technique, so we can develop this technique together. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.